In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can extend the audio of your video in case the video is longer than the audio you want to use. I'm going to be giving you a preview of the audio we're going to be using in this video. You see the audio just ended and the video is still playing. That's because we have not extended the audio with the video just yet. What you want to do now, you want to right click on the audio and you want to click on where it says edit clip in Adobe Audition. That's going to allow you to edit your audio in Adobe Audition. So click on this. Now, once you're in the Adobe Audition, you do not want to be in the waveform setting. What you want to be in is you want to click on where it says multi-track editor, click on multi-track. And then it's going to be giving you this new multi-track session name, untitled session. You can change the untitled session name to whatever you want. I'm going to be leaving it at default. Once you added the name, you're going to click on OK. Then you have the timeline for the multi-track sequence. What you want to do now is you want to drag in your audio in the multi-track sequence. Now if this audition warning comes up, click on OK. Now what you want to do is you have right here where it says stretch basic info. You want to click on right here where it says remix. You need to click on enable remix because you're not allowed to change the duration of your video until you click enable remix. You're not allowed to change the audio. You have 5 seconds. That's 5 seconds of dead audio you're going to be having. Now what you want to do is click on enable remix. Now your audio is going to be analyzed with Adobe Audition. What you have here is you have the target duration and you have 5 seconds. That's going to be adding 5 seconds of dead audio to the end of your audio. And the target duration, that's how long you want to have your audio be for the duration of your video. Let's head back to Adobe Premiere Pro so you know how long the duration that we're going to be using. The duration that I have for my video is 2 minutes, 7 seconds and 7 milliseconds. Remember how long the duration is for your video because you need to enter that into the Adobe Audition duration. So head back to Adobe Audition and then you want to enter the how long your video is for the duration and the target duration. Mine is 2 minutes and 7 seconds and 7 milliseconds. Now what you want to do is once you enter the duration for your video, you want to click on enter. Your audio is now extended with Adobe Audition. What you need to do now is if you want to save your audio for Premiere Pro, what you need to do is click on file, click on where it says export, and then you want to export your audio to Adobe Premiere Pro. So click on export to Adobe Premiere Pro. You can change the file name to whatever you want. I'm going to be leaving it at default. Now, the location, you want to change the location to whatever you want to save it to. Remember the location for your audio because you're going to be needing it for Adobe Premiere Pro. I'm going to be leaving it in the audio or the music folder. Click on save. Now what you want to do is click on export. Now once your audio got exported, what you want to do is head back to Adobe Premiere Pro. And for you, sometimes it will automatically change your audio into the timeline. But for me, it did not change it. So what we're going to need to do is import the file. So click on file. Then what you need to do is click on import. Then you want to find where you located your file. Locate where you have your file in. Mine is in music, and what you need to do is find the audio you want to use. Mine is Untitled Session 27 AU track. Click on this, then click on OK. Then it's going to be giving you this warning right here, or this setting right here. It says copy Adobe Audition track, copy to active sequence, new audio track. Click on OK. Then it's going to be giving you your audio into a new track in the Adobe Premiere track. You see, your audio is in a new track on Adobe Premiere Pro. What you need to do now is you need to delete the old audio that you used for your video. Delete it, and then you want to drag your audio all the way up so that it matches the video. And make sure your new audio is in the audio track 1. Now we can play the audio to show you that the audio got extended with Adobe Audition. You see, I'm going to be giving you a preview of the audio now. You see, your audio got extended with Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Audition. Now you have the silence or the dead air for your audio. What you want to do is you can drag the audio all the way to the end of your video, or what you can do is you can just press C on your keyboard, and then that's gonna be coming up with the razor tool, and just cut it with the razor tool. Then remove your audio and delete it, and now your audio is extended with Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe Audition. I'll give you a preview one more time so you know what it sounds like without the dead air. Now your audio is extended with Adobe Premiere Pro and Audition. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones, how to extend your audio with Adobe Audition. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.